All right, so welcome to the MF Cooks Kitchen. Today I have a special surprise. My niece Haley is gonna be graduating from high school. I'm so sorry I can't be there, but in your honor, this recipe is for you. And we're gonna do avocado toast with some poached eggs and some homemade hollandaise sauce, so stay tuned. Perfect sourdough. All right, so we did this easy avocado toast. Haley, I'm so proud of you. You're gonna do great things in life. Hopefully you'll make this recipe that I did especially for you. So we've got our toast that we did in our Brava oven. We've got our avocados mashed with some tomatoes, some red onions, some balsamic vinegar, and then we've got a little bit of red onion in there. I like to do it pretty rustic. We've got our perfectly poached eggs. We're gonna set those guys right there. Here's the kicker. Homemade hollandaise. Woo! Somebody say brunch. Now we know there's just one last thing to have to do, right? We gotta taste it. Wow. Let's just make sure this is a perfect bite. Man, that's delicious. Congratulations, Haley. That was perfect.